Hello everyone, this is Kittens cycling in Ireland, and this time instead of cycling, I'm visiting a secret waterfall in Donegal. I visited here yesterday on my bike, just to get an idea of the place, and today I am visiting with suitable gear again. So the whole video will be basically a mixture of some of the footage on my cycling and some of the footage on the next day. You can see that the path up to down to the waterfall is a private pathway and it is blocked by gates, but it's not forbidden to walk through the territory. And actually there were a lot of people there. There is obvious walking path down to the shore, so you won't miss it. The only thing is how slippery the whole area is, and not just rocks but also grass. But if you have brought a good hiking boots and if you pay a good attention, you'll be safe. And now I arrived at the shore and I'm flying my drone DJI Air3S, which I really enjoy flying. So this waterfall is called Larky Waterfall, but on Google Maps it might show up as Secret Waterfall, which is well known among tourists. And the waterfall is located near Killybags, a beautiful village that I really cherish, and it's one of the biggest towns in Donegal. And to get here, you just drive about 5 kilometers to the west of Killybags, and you will come across this waterfall. But here's the thing, if you don't plan your journey specifically to visit this spot, it's really easy to miss. This waterfall isn't the kind of a place that you will just stumble upon, and it's pretty much impossible to get here without a car. The walk to the waterfall from the shore is straightforward, just under 1 kilometer, I'd say. You simply follow the coastline along the cliff like this. One very important thing to keep in mind though is that this entire path gets submerged underwater during high tide. So you must check the tide levels before planning your visit. You can easily find tide charts online by Googling Ireland tide levels. And there are websites that show detailed information, and they are really helpful. For me, I planned it to arrive at the waterfall about 30 minutes before the lowest tide so that I have plenty of time to fly my drone, take pictures, see the waterfall, and above all, make it back safely before the water started rising. Oh, and for the rocks, some of them, especially darker, shiny ones, you can see in the video here also, they are extremely slippery. I felt almost like as if they're ice. And not all rocks are like that, but it's better to take it slow and steady to avoid any accidents. Finally, after about 30 minutes to an hour of walking along the cliff walks, I've made it to the waterfall. And here I think I swapped out the battery on my drone. Each battery gives you about 35 to 40 minutes of flight time, which is incredible. And one of the things that I love about DJI series is that it has two cameras with different focal length. The first is a standard 24mm lens, pretty much what you get on most mobile phones. But the second is a 70mm telephoto lens, and this is unique and gives you those beautiful compressed cinematic shots that only a telephoto lens can capture. I've spent some time here flying the drone and taking pictures. And for my serious photography, I always bring this camera, the Ricoh GR3X. It's compact, but the quality is amazing with its APS-C sensor. That's it for today's trip. To be honest, this waterfall isn't the tallest, grandest, or most majestic ones you'll ever see, but surely is a place worth visiting when you're in Donegal. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.